The news in detail. The Election Commission of India has announced that Gambegre by-poll will take place on November 13 along with 46 other assembly constituencies. Similarly, Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar also announced that Maharashtra Assembly elections will take place in a single phase on November 20, 2024, while Jharkhand Assembly election will take place in two phases, November 13 and 20th. Counting of votes for Gambegre by-poll and assembly elections will be on November 23rd.
For Maharashtra, this will be in single phase, and date of poll in Maharashtra would be 20th 11. Counting would be on 23rd 11/24. First phase would be on date of poll would be on 13th November, and the second phase would be along with Maharashtra on 20th November. And date of poll would be 13th November and 20th November, both Wednesdays. And date of counting would be 23rd 11, that is Saturday.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated